Hey everybody, so welcome back to Mike's Garage. It's been a really long time since I've made a video. I'm more active on Instagram, which is my shop name, Emistry Racing LLC. So as you can see here, we got a Taurus, which isn't that cool of a car by itself, but this is a special Taurus, and I'll show you why. It looks pretty jankety, I know. This is a Taurus SHO with the Cosworth Yamaha V8. So the bottom end is done with the patented Cosworth process. It's basically a V8 Duratec. And then the heads are made by Yamaha, and they were put on in Japan. This whole engine gets shipped to Japan and then assembled. And then they shipped it back and put it in the cars. So anyways, it's a pretty cool engine. Unfortunately, it's a 3.4 liter kind of small V8. Doesn't make a ton of power. It's like 235 from the factory. However, it's really not super hopped up. If you got custom cams made and some high compression pistons, you could do some all motor stuff with this. Or if you push some boost on this, it'll take it pretty significantly. I'm guessing that these will do 500 horsepower on, stock internals pretty easily. Again, this thing's pretty jankety. It has a base model Taurus bumper on it, as you can see. It's got some body damage. It's clean on one end, on the other it's really banged up. But anyways, the mirrors are both broken. This actually only has 72,000 miles on it though, which is cool. I think the cams were already welded. A lot of these had cams that would come off the cam sprocket because of how they were made. They would move, and then you would get engines that were blown because the pistons and the valves would collide. Anyways, this one, obviously that hasn't happened to. It still runs and stuff, it's just jankety. I've had this car for a while. I haven't really done anything with it. I originally got it just to drive around a little bit and then to put in the back of my Subaru. I was going to do a rear V8 and then the flat 6 in the front, which the flat 6 is in there, but it's not going yet. Anyways, so we're not going to do that now. I decided this car's so cool and it has low miles that I'm just going to fix it up. These weren't super fast from the factory. They were falling behind competitors, like the the Grand Prix with the supercharger on it and stuff like that. But it is a neat motor and it's a cool car, and it's got way stiffer suspension from the factory than any of its competitors. It actually handles better than its competitors. So I've got some parts here. This isn't all of it. The SHO badge on the back, somebody janketied up. It has Taurus right in the middle here, so if you paint over it, that's, it's screwed up. But anyway, so we got an OEM SHO badge from Ford, which is cool. Those are really hard to find. Then we got our SCT tuner for the dyno tune. We got a new water pump because this one's leaking. We got right here a huge radiator, an aluminum radiator, because this one's cracked, that's on the car. So we're going to throw that on. And then we got a battery relocation kit for the Optima battery, which we will be moving to the trunk of the car instead of up here. And then we got a cold air intake coming, an exhaust, a few other things. It's going to be a little better than stock, and I'm doing a lot of weight reduction. I got myself a weight reduction bin going here so far, and it's pretty significant. And I got other pieces out of the car too, and then junk that was in the car has been pulled out. But anyways, yeah, this is my Taurus SHO that I'm going to be restoring. I think we're going to paint it a turquoise, and then we're going to have like the silver accenting emblem on the back, and then the silver tail lights. I'll show you kind of what those look like. Yeah, so right here, this will be silver, and then this all is going to be turquoise, the car. And we got new taillights on the way because those ones are fucked up. And then, yeah, the SHO emblem. It's all messed up and painted a not so nice red. But yeah. Pretty nice interior. I got the door panel off one side because of weight reduction we're doing. But anyway, yeah, the dash is janked up like a lot of them get from the heat. But I think I'm going to do a purple dash conversion, and then I'm going to put a handbrake from the Australian Taurus in there, and then maybe a manual conversion. We'll see. But I'm going to do weight reduction through the whole thing and see how much I can't take out of here. But yeah, the V8 Taurus Cosworth Yamaha engine. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'll do startup videos later on. I got the gross old oil out of it, so no running right now. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, follow, go check me out on Instagram. Look up Emistry Racing LLC, EMISTRY, then Racing LLC, all one word. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.